Best Supporting Actor, Tamil Film Super Deluxe, Best Supporting Actor, Vijay Sethupathi. Best Actress, Hindi film Manikarnika, The Queen of Jhansi, and Panga in Hindi, for both the Kangana Ranaut. Best Actor, again it is shared by two wonderful actors. First is for film Bhosle, the actor is Manoj Bajpayee, and the other person is for Tamil film Asuran, actor Dhanush. Best Direction, Hindi film Bahattar Hure, director Sanjay Puran Singh Chauhan. Best Children's Film, Hindi film Kasturi, producer Inside Films, director Vinod Uttareshwar Kamble. Best Film on Environment Conservation and Preservation, Monpa language film Water Burial, producer Farooq Iftikhar Lashkar, director Shantanu Sen. Best Film on Social Issues, Marathi film Anandi Gopal, producers SL Vision Production Limited, Fresh Line Films and Namma Pictures Private Limited, director Samir Bidwans. Nargis Dutt Award for Best Feature Film on National Integration, Tajmal, producer Two Line Studios Private Limited, director Niyaz Mujawar. Award for Best Popular Film Providing Wholesome Entertainment, Telugu film Maharshi, producer Sri Venkateshwara Creations, director Pedipalli Vanchidhar Rao. I am just coming to the end of the list. Indira Gandhi Award for Best Debut Film of a Director, means the first film of the director. The film is Malayalam. The title is Helen. Producer Big Bang Entertainment. Director Muthukutti Xavier. And finally, for which we are waiting, Best Feature Film. Best Feature Film, Marakkar Arabi Kada Linte Simmam. Producer Ashirwad Creation Cinemas and director Priyadarshan. That brings an end to all the work we had done for last 1 month. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chandraji, for taking us through the feature films category and covering the wide range of cinema that has been presented to the media today. Thank you once again to everyone on stage and all my jury members who put in their efforts to make sure that we would see the awards coming out today. And that was pretty quick actually. We finished everything in 40 minutes, not bad. Can we take some questions please, and then we would break for some refreshments where you may like to have an interaction with the members of the jury and chairperson. So any questions please? Yeah, number 15 please. Yeah.
Sir, good afternoon.
Identify yourself.
Yes, sir. So my name is Sanjay Agarwal. I have a channel, World News 24/7, sir. So my question is about Sikkim, sir. When you identify Sikkim as the film-friendly state, so what are the parameters, sir?
Sikkim, our parameters are almost 21 parameters, which we thought that it is how the filmmakers are treated there and how friendly the people around there, and also the commitment when a filmmaker comes there, how much kind of response, like kind of friendliness there, to the filmmaking group.
Can we just 1 minute, sir? Can we just have some silence, please? I mean, he's answering a question. If you would kindly, please, friends over here, please, kindly.
And finally, cinema is also a place for the tourism too. And through their commitment, probably many domestic tourism, other things, landscape is a part of it, cinema also. And which is small state. And with that commitment to the cinema, and cinema should grow all the states all over India now with the technology available all over the availability, friendly ways to reach there. So I thought our team thought, we discussed the parameters quite a lot, but we found Sikkim is much, much superior in these attitudes.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, number 10, please.
George Kadivari from Deepika. Now, the three main awards, that's Best Feature Film and Best Actor and Actress. Can you say whether the decisions were unanimous, or who are the close contenders in these three categories?
See, there are always deliberations after when we see the film, but then finally it is the complete jury agrees to one picture, and then only we start giving the awards. So it was a unanimous decision and not divided one.
And who are the close contenders? For the best actor or actress.
No, sir, we cannot go into that process. Who are the contenders on that? We don't want to name anybody. We have given the winner. That's it, and that is our job.
Any more questions, please?
Can you ask him to get the two? Can you ask him to get one more, please?
Anyone would like to ask any question? Otherwise, we.
So my question was, in Sikkim, when they're talking about tourism, so are we going to promote like international filmmakers also? Are we inviting them to the States, sir?
Very much.
Right, sir. And then you're going to set up some studios and then VFX and everything?
As many people come, the infrastructure will naturally develop.
Right, sir. Thank you, sir.
Any more questions to be asked? Otherwise, we close the press conference. I think the jury has done a wonderful job in explaining the films that have been selected. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, one more thing, sir, I would like to just add is all friends who come from the media, we would like you to join us for refreshments on the 4th floor. Thank you very much for coming over here, and hopefully very soon we should be putting the ceremony together. So let's see. Thank you very much.
Sir.
Thank you.
Ma'am, take your picture.
Sit down.